To check your transaction history on Rev.ai, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Rev.ai website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, locate the dashboard menu. This is usually found on the left side of the screen or at the top, depending on the layout. Step 3. Access Billing or Transactions section. Look for a section labeled Billing or Transactions within the dashboard. Click on the section to view your financial records. Step 4. Select Transaction History. Secure your accounts before moving on. People are seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Review your transactions. Browse through your transaction history. You can filter or search for specific transactions if needed, and review details such as dates, amounts, and services used. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Rev.ai. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to the support team for assistance.